So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to delete search history of Google in your Android smartphone. But before beginning the video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. So let's begin the video without any further ado. So to delete Google search history in your Android smartphone, first of all open the Google app. Here in the top right corner, you can see your profile picture. Click on your profile picture and click on search history. Here you can see all your search history. You can just simply click on delete. You can delete today, you can delete for custom range, or you can delete all time. Also, you can also go to saving to web and app activity and turn off your activity saving, and so your search history won't save anymore. And for deleting, you can just click on delete, and you can delete for all time, also for custom range, or for today also. And you can also select auto delete on 18 months, so after every 18 months your history will be deleted. So that is all for today's video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this, and don't forget the bell icon so you won't miss any update. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.